Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Architect Sheikh Umesh. Today we learn about how to create a customized Jali family in Revit. For creating, go to the Revit, select the Jali family template and selecting generic model. For creating, first select the reference plane and creating it in elevation. Select OK. Now go to the SKG. Load CAD file, apply OK. Now move to the center, apply OK. Now you can see our Jali is created. Adjust the thickness, add parameter of thickness, adjust 12 mm, add parameter for the material. Now load into the project. Now you can see our Jali is ready and loaded into the model. Edit the thickness. Let's consider edit the material. Open. Now you can see our Jali is ready. That is for today. Thank you for watching.